and lines. What are the agricultural practices? The agricultural practices. What are the agricultural practices? The agricultural practices are preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizer, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting and storage. So the first thing in preparation of soil, first thing in agriculture practice is preparation of soil. One of the most important tasks in agriculture is to turn and loosen the soil. This allows the root to penetrate deep into the soil, and loose soil allow the root to go deep into the soil. The tools used for preparation of soil. The tools are plow, cultivator, and hoe. Plow. This is made of wood and is drawn by a pair of bulls or other animals like horse and camels. It contains a strong triangular strip called plow shaft. As you can see in this image, the strong triangular strip which is known as plow shaft, and a long log of wood it is known as plow shaft, and the other end of there is a handle at one end of the shaft. The other end is attached with a beam which is placed on the bull's neck. As you can see here, it is attached in the bull's neck. The next thing is cultivator. Nowadays, plowing is done by tractor driven cultivator. The use of cultivators, it saves labor and time. Hoe. It is a simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. The next thing in agriculture practice is sowing. Sowing is nothing but putting seed to the soil for growing crops. It is known as sowing. Implements used for sowing. There are two methods of sowing seeds, which are traditional tool and seed drill. The tool used traditionally for sowing seed is shaped like a funnel. The seeds are filled into the funnel and passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends. These ends pierce into the soil and place the seed there. The next thing is seed drill. Nowadays, the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractor. This sows the seed uniformly at equal distance and depth. It ensures that the seed get covered by the soil after sowing. This protects the seed from eaten by birds. The next thing in agriculture practice is adding manure and fertilizer. The next thing in agriculture practice is adding manure and fertilizer. The substance which are added to the soil in the form of nutrition for the healthy growth of plant is called manure and fertilizer. What is manure? Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plants and or animal waste. Fertilizer. Fertilizer are chemicals which are rich in particular nutrients. Fertilizer are produced in factories. Some examples of fertilizer are urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash and NPK, which is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. The next thing is crop rotation. Crop rotation. This can be done by growing different crops alternately. Earlier, farmers in North India used to grow legumes as fodder in one season and wheat in the next season. This helped the farmer use the replenishment of soil with nutrients. The next thing in agriculture practice is irrigation. Irrigation is the supply of water to the crops at regular intervals is known as irrigation. There are two methods of irrigation, which are traditional method and modern method of irrigation. The traditional method of irrigation contains moat, chamber, dekki and rahar. The modern method of irrigation contains sprinkler system and drip system. Sprinkler system. This system is useful on the land where sufficient water is not available. The perpendicular pipe having rotating nozzle on the top are joined to the main pipeline at regular interval. When water is allowed to flow under a pressure with the help of a pump, it escapes from the rotating nozzles. It gets sprinkled on the crop as raining. So the next thing is drip system. In this system, the water falls drop by drop near directly to the roots for it is called drip system. The next thing is protection from weeds. Weeds. Weeds are undesirable plants that may grow naturally along with the crop. These undesirable plants are called weeds and the removal of weeds is called weeding. So the removal of weeds are done in two ways. One is putty and weed. Putty. The manual removal includes physical removal of weeds by uprooting or cutting them close to the ground from time to time. This is done with the help of putty. Weedicides. Weeds are also controlled by using certain chemicals called weedicides, like 2,4-D. The next thing and very important thing in agriculture practice is harvesting. Harvesting is the cutting of crops after it gets mature is called harvesting. Harvesting is in our country is either done manually by sickle or by machine called harvester. The next process in harvesting is threshing. The grains and seeds need to be separated from the chaff. This process is called threshing. This is carried out with the help of machine called combine. Farmer with small holding of land do the separation of grain and chaff by winnowing. The next thing is storage. If the harvested grains are to be kept for a longer time, they should be saved from moisture, insects, rats, and microorganisms, so that the grains are properly dried in the sun to reduce the moisture in them. This prevents the attack of insects